Abafundi basenyuvesi Walter Sisulu bebenikezwe kuze kube ihora lesine ntambama namhlanje ukuba baphume baphele emagcekeni alesikhungo, kepha inkantolo isimisile isinqumo senyuvesi.
We have issued the certificate of urgency and the papers as well, and the directive was given in our favor that the matter is urgent and it will be heard at 1900 hours today.
Abafundi bathi ukukhishwa kwabenyuvesi bekuzobaphazamisa kakhulu ezifundeni zabo.
Njengoba nje simile so kuthiwa siya evictwa, so i-eviction kodwa isamisiwe kuthiwa ikuhold. Angathi uma ngawukuthi le eviction engawela iwele lesikolo kuthiwe vele siyahamba into yokuqala ngidawumuka ngani.
Khona abantu abasuka kuLimpopo, I don't know bisikolo se-expecting lokubana bahambe njani within 24 hours bese kuthiwa bafuna bengekho within the premises ze-campus, of which abafundi beprotesta i-rights zabo.
Umkhandlu wabafundi ukhala ngesihluku sonogada abathi basebenzisa izibhamu ezinezinhlamvu zangempela uma bebhekene nabafundi.
I-university ayikwazi ukuqhubekeka iqasha i-security personnel esaziyo ubana si-brutal. Emveni koko endaweni yoba babeke imithetho yokuqinisekisa i-safety ye-students baske bazigxothe i-students.
Kusenjalo umsolwa oneminyaka engama-54 oboshwe mayelana nesigameko sokudubula kubulawa umfundi kulesikhungo kulindeleke avele enkantolo ngoLwesibili lwesonto elizayo.